It's pretty good, like, fuck, he's gonna be a big fish when he gets bigger. Pretty good. Alright, first bank that I knew I could fish at, and it's fucking Weed Central. Stays there. Chuck the big lizard on. Wouldn't have a clue what the name of this one is, but it's like a wake style bib with a big tail on it. Should produce a completely different wake, so hoping that something a bit different. Get the bite done. Don't know if my fast that's just gonna work with it or not. I'll go try it just slightly to the right of it. Fuck off. It's a bit COD-y. Oh, hell no. Oh. Come on. Yep. It's only a little tucker, but oh, hell yeah. He's not too bad. He's pretty sick looking. Alrighty. Chill on. He's only fairly small. Hella fat. Hella fat. Just don't want to get hooked here. Not too bad actually. It's probably a 40, but a big 40, like a fat ass 40. Solid little fish actually. Give him another hold up. He's pretty good, like fucking he's gonna be a big fish when he gets bigger. Absolutely crunched it. These small cod just have an attitude problem. There he is again. Let's get him out to some a little bit deeper water. Strong kickoff. Wicked. Thinking about changing already, to be honest. Just the only thing I'm not liking is I don't have like the paddler style bib. I've got like the wake bib, and I can't really hear if it's swimming. So if it's got weed on it and it's not swimming right, I can't really see it. You usually rely on hearing it not sounding right. So I can't hear it. Don't know. Just now that we're close to this fountain, I feel like my lure's getting lost in the ripples it's making. So try and just get something that just at least hits the water a bit harder. Try the hunchback, just a paddler. Should give us much more of like a wake and a lot more noise. Just paddle just across like that super quick. So I haven't really thrown it much. Just here's hoping that's sort of the thing they're after, because the slower like style is a bit more subtler, like a wake bait. But this just gonna be a lot more aggressive, so hopefully the fish just see it and just want it. And there it goes. That is as clean a line snap as you'll ever hear, and my lure is, couldn't even tell you. Yeah, there somewhere. Yeah, give this a crack. Hopefully get my lure back with it. I just can't be bothered tying something a bit easy to get the lure back and then changing straight away. So it's probably as good a chance as I've got to get it. Oh, did anyone see that massive swirl on my lure? Oh, that was not on the lure I'm bringing back. That's on the lure I'm trying to hit. What the actual fuck? I'm not even worried about this lure now. That cod had to be over 80. Like, massive back came out. I hope it got it on camera. I just don't know where this thing is. Yep. I don't think it's big. Oh, fuck. Oh, nah. It's pretty good. I can feel it. Is it? It's just not. It's just not big because of this fucking clump of weed that's on here. Bruh. Ugh. Bamboozled. Tiny cod. Tiny cod. Poor dude's hooked through the eye. Won't really mess around too much with him. Hold up for the camera. Little cod, tiny cod. Nice nick. In this dam though, they're always pretty nice condition. So sorry. He's off. That's good. The hook was just under his eye, so I really hope not much damage happened to him. Poor dude.
Well, I did not expect this. The river is really up, which is not good. I actually don't know how. It's just up. It hasn't had much rain recently, so I made the call. I'm just gonna go the other way. Like, I can get a big fucking look up that end and it's pumping. I just don't know where to get across, but I'll vlog back on once I can see where we're going. Just a 1 ounce spinner. Get down nice and deep in the flow. Just really try and drag one past one's face. That's even if they're eating. I don't reckon selling this sort of stuff though. And with me not being able to see where I'm casting, I reckon this lure is going to last about 10 seconds. Oh. Lego head. Last shot. Bib might be too big to be honest in this river, but it's our best bet of getting a bite, I think. Just like that vibration. Fish might pick it up and just go bang, which is really the goal. I'm just gonna fish this. I'll try this here first. Yeah, I think this will be the last spot I go to. Head back to the car. Fucking finally. Well, I'll call you back, alright? Yeah. Alright. Finally on. It's got me. No way it gets me snagged. It's not even big. But still, COD's a COD. I was just on the phone to my old man and fucking bang. He's not bad. He's not huge, but he's not bad. I'll leave him in the water for a sec. Yeah. He's not bad at all. He's probably about 65. Smashed the Lego head. I was on the phone to my dad. I literally was walking home because I'd had enough, and he just pelted it. He felt so much bigger. He peeled that much line. Good to get one. I'll get a tripod set up and we'll get a good look at him. Alright. There he is. He's not bad at all. Like, very long fish. Pretty healthy. Yeah, pretty happy with that. Like, smashed it. Absolutely peeled line. Caught it for way bigger. Had to ditch Dad pretty quick, but yeah, pretty stoked with that. I really thought I was going to get nothing with how the river looks, but to get something like that, pretty sweet. We'll get him back and try and get another, I guess. There he is. Measured on 60, but big 60. Gonna give him a bit. Here's rearing to go. Nice. Alright guys, I'm just gonna wrap it up there. I'm probably gonna end it where you see me catch that cod, fish for another hour after that, and just the water's just moving too fast. That one pool where I got it was probably one of, if not the only spots you could really get a clean retrieve in. Like, just pumping the whole way. Like if it was in sections, I think it'd be alright, but there's not much I can do. But give it a week, probably head back out and give it another go. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Not me, them probably bands when they say who's next, I'm part of the end.